Hi everyone, Brent here. Today I want to show you our process for migrating a site that's on our development server and publishing it live. So this actually is the Eflat website that we've been working on for the past few weeks. It's ready to go. So what we normally like to do is go into the dashboard, all right, and do a backup. Our favorite tool is all-in-one WordPress migration. Double check my backups. I do have one backup here that was done 36 minutes ago. I want to delete it for now. Just kind of walk you through the process. Create backup. It's almost ready. So I'm going to download the file. It's downloading to my downloads directory. So I'm going to close this window. So this is our development server. And now this is the live website. I'm going to go into the dashboard. And I am going to now import the site, import file, and now I'm going to look for this Eflat launch. Hit open. It's doing its checks, and I'm going to proceed to overwrite the current site that you're looking at with the site that I just uploaded. And one thing I do like about all-in-one is that it's really good at moving really big websites. You know, different projects I've seen that are over a gigabyte, and it has been able to move it with no problems where other plugins have choked. So now if I put in my login, let's see here, all right. And I want to hit visit site. And here we go. The new Eflat Inc. Check out a few pages. And I'll do a more exhaustive view or analysis with the team. Here we are. So far so good. Enjoy the website. Just want to give a bit of a background view of what happens in order to move a website and make it live. Thanks again.